We're here at Aloft Hotel, Beachwood, Ohio. We got Schindler HT here. Someone already took this one, so we're most likely getting this one. I don't know. As you can see, there's a nice view out here. Lifetime Fitness out there. There's some parking garage over here. Oh, we got this one. This one might be broken, I don't know. Let's go down to one. Get cat view. Nice cow. Here, 3,500 pounds. About the four. With the four. Cheer the motor. Here we go. Here are four. This thing runs pretty well. Go to one. Door closes actually work. I love the blue lights on this thing. This one's probably dead. But there's one over here and here and here. Watch the button go out. Hopefully they'll run across. It's still here, so I can ride this one. And here comes a big bump. Yup. And here we are at one. Wind it at four. Oh. Another one's here. So the four. There we go. Here are four. 2,500 pound capacity. Go to one. Door closers actually work. Get cat view. Identical to the other elevator. Even though this one does not have a door. But the other one. It's a really nice elevator. I like the rug on this thing, or the floor. There are one. Wind it at four. Get to the front desk over there. Let's hear the motor. Here we go. Watch the button go out. Here are our 4. Let's go ahead and get off. Watch this one close. And then there's the other one in a nice view out here, and I like the 4 light. All right, well, that'll be it.